Hi, Chef Mark here from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Today I'm preparing apple crisp. Apple crisp is a very easy dessert to make, and it's also very delicious, and I'm going to show you how to make it. First of all, let's go over our ingredients. The first thing we have is 1 cup of white flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2.5 ounces of butter, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon. I'm also using Granny Smith apples today, but you can use any kind of apples you want. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I've washed my apples and I'm going to peel them. So what I'm going to do right now is take my knife and just start peeling away here, just like that. Now you can use a peeler if you want, it's up to you. I prefer to use a knife, that works good for me. So I'm just going to keep on peeling. Okay, so my apples are all peeled, so now I'm going to cut them up. So I'm going to go like that, cut them into quarters, just like that, just like that. Then I'm going to cut up the core, just like that. Okay, so I've cut all my apples into quarters, get rid of the peels. Okay, now that I've done that, what I'm going to do is cut them up. And I have an 8-inch ceramic dish here. I'm going to spray that real good with a no-stick spray. There we are. Now what I'm going to do is I like to go like this, I like to cut them just like that, and then just go like that. So cut them down the middle, and then just across just a few times. You'll get some nice consistent pieces there. Just like that. Okay, so there's my apples. Dice them all into here. Now what I'm going to do is just set that aside for a minute. And take this bowl here. Now I'm going to take my white flour and my brown sugar and just dump those in like that. And then I'm going to take my butter. And then what I want to do is just mash that up real good. Just keep mashing that up. And you want to just keep mashing like this. You may even want to get your fingers in there if that works for you. Just keep mashing up. You may have to add a little bit more butter, but I don't think so. I think this is going to work out just fine. And you're going to have some chunks of butter in here. That's good. You don't want to make this a paste. You don't want to cream it. You just want to make it into like a streusel. So you just want to keep on mixing that butter along with the flour and the sugar. You don't want it to be like a cookie dough. You don't want that at all. Okay, so now we've done that. Now I'm going to take my cinnamon. All that mixed up. I'm going to sprinkle my cinnamon on, just on top here, just kind of like that. Just sprinkle that around just like that. Perfect. Now a tablespoon of white sugar. And I'm doing this only because Granny Smith apples can be very tart. So I just want to add to that just like that. Okay, there it is. Okay, so there it is. Streusel's on top. It's already to go in the oven. So I'm going to put it in the oven for about maybe 30-35 minutes at 350. And here we go. There it is. Now we wait. So, I portioned some into a bowl, and now I get to try it out. It's very hot. You can tell just by looking at it. Get some of that caramel on there. That is so good. That is so delicious. Wow, that brown sugar topping, just fantastic. Wow. Apples are cooked perfectly. Really good. That is super delicious. Also very hot. Wow. Well, that's an easy dessert to make. And you know what goes good with that? A nice French vanilla ice cream. So there it is, my friends. Apple crisp, made easy. Until we eat again, I'm Chef Mark from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Cheers, my friends. Hi, me again. Today when I made apple crisp, I'm sure you noticed I didn't use any oatmeal. With me, that's just a personal preference. I also use Granny Smith apples, but you can use any kind of apples you like. As a matter of fact, you can use pears, peaches, blueberries, blackberries, even fruit cocktail works very good also. You may want to try adding some lemon zest to your fruit or to your topping. You know, cooking can be difficult, but it doesn't have to be. So go ahead, be the cook, be the chef, be the mad scientist in your own kitchen. The people you cook for, let them be your guinea pigs. Just don't poison anybody. So go ahead, have fun, keep on cooking, and bon appetit. Bye.
Wow.